Hello guys, for today's video, taran! May parcel tayo from Forward Mall. Installment credit, laptop, phone, tablet, or anything. Open natin. Dahan-dahan, mahal to. Deserve ko to. Sabi, kindly record the entire unboxing process. Please check the product matches with your order before breaking the seal. Return of pre-open pack will put 10% charge of the description product. Ayan. Ito. Open. Seal the seal. Seal the seal. Tara! Okay, let's go for this one. Hello kabayan, would like to express gratitude for what more provided, but affordable. Stay updated with us. And this one. Resibo, mga resibo. Tapos, meron ng case. Uy, case. Charger. Siyempre may pa-sneakers. At may kabag. Ito previous nila kabag. Sneakers. Power adapter. And case. Casing. Yan na. Kitang-kita na. Yes, true. Let's go. Ano to? Dito pala. Tempered glass. Oh, yan. Tempered glass. Tempered. And, tadaan! Tadaan! Open. Tanggalin natin yung seal. Yan. Nababa. Yan. Tapos, buksan. Are you ready? Oh. Uy. Oh. Ito yung sa pinano. Tsaka, charger. Charger. Ayan siya. So, bali iPhone 15. 256 GB. Ayan siya. Kulay blue. Sky blue. Tapos, oy. Ayan yun. Ayan siya. Ayan. On. Yan natin kung mag-hello. Hello. Oh, nag-hello. Hello. Oh, ang daming hello. Deserve ko to kahit ang mahal. Magkano to? Ito yung price niya. Price reveal. Let's go.